If you are visiting the heritage city of Ahmedabad, it would be sheer blasphemy not to visit the Gandhi Ashram.
In our Dekho Apna Desh series, we take you on a pilgrimage of sorts to the Gandhi Ashram on the banks of the river Sabarmati, where Mahatma Gandhi lived between 1918 to 1933.
Located right on the busy Ashram Road, the Gandhi Ashram, originally called Satyagraha Ashram, has scripted many a crucial chapter in India's history.
The Gandhi Ashram became the heart of India's freedom movement and used to be buzzing with activity during the run up to India's independence.
What strikes you as you enter the ashram premises is the serenity that prevails despite being right on the side of a busy road. The Gandhi Ashram can be divided into two sections. One is the museum and the other the actual home of Mahatma Gandhi and Kasturba, known as Hriday Kunj.
Before visiting the Gandhi Museum, it would be wise to first visit Hriday Kunj, which was literally the heart of the Indian freedom movement. Birds serenade you with their sweet symphony as you make your way inside the ashram.
Just near the Hriday Kunj is a small open space which is the Upasana Mandir. This place used to reverberate to Gandhiji's discourses from the Bhagavad Gita. It was the place where prayer meetings were held every morning and evening. Today, a variety of birds strike a sweet melody.
The Hriday Kunj itself is a Spartan red and brown structure with a tiled roof. It faces the Sabarmati River, where today a beautiful riverfront has been developed.
The simple abode of Mahatma Gandhi consists of rooms for Mahatma Gandhi, Kasturba Gandhi, a guest room, and a kitchen. An open courtyard lies within the building.
Kasturba's room is bare, barring a black and white infographic that hangs on the wall.
The guest room is completely bare and the afternoon light floods in. This is the place where many an illustrious guest had stayed while visiting the ashram to meet the Mahatma.
Mahatma Gandhi's room is towards the front of Hriday Kunj. This is the place where Mahatma Gandhi spun the charkha and weaved dreams of independence that transformed into reality.
Near the Hriday Kunj can be seen the Vinoba Kutir and the Mira Kutir. Vinoba Bhave, who was an ardent Gandhian, stayed here between 1918 to 1921. Mira Ben, originally Madeline Slade, daughter of a British admiral and a follower of Gandhiji, stayed here from 1925 to 1933.
The museum consists of galleries that document the life and times of Mahatma Gandhi. His journey from Mohan to Mahatma is presented through paintings, photographs, and manuscripts.
The Dandi March, one of the historic movements that originated from the Gandhi Ashram, is presented in brilliant fashion through various exhibits.
राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा
Mahatma Gandhi bade farewell to the ashram on July 31st, 1933, vowing not to return till India became free.
India became independent on the 15th of August 1947, but the Mahatma never returned to his beloved Hriday Kunj. He breathed his last almost 1,000 kilometers away in Delhi on the 30th of January 1948.
যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো
Hi, I'm Sandy.
And I'm Vijay.
We invite you to join us on our journey.
As we travel, experience, and share,
India is a fascinating book without a last page. It is like a melody composed with limitless notes. It's like a rainbow with countless colors. Its rich heritage is a mesmerizing tapestry of experiences. Join us as we virtually relive some of our experiences of traveling across India.
Experience and explore India with us as we take off on an exhilarating journey to places across India, some known and some unknown, in our Dekho Apna Desh series.